Good morning, students. This is chemistry period, and today we will learn about the chapter number 5, that is periodic classification of an element. So, in class ninth, we already learned about the matter, okay, and elements, compounds, and mixtures. So, what is mean by first matter? Matter means the something which occupies some space and having certain mass. It is called as a matter. And matter which is classified into three types: elements, compounds, and mixtures. So, first of all, elements means what? Elements means the atom which is made up, the elements which are made up of the same type of the atom. एलिमेंट्स जो मेड होते हैं वो सेम टाइप ऑफ द एटम से बनते हैं. The elements which are made up of the same type of atom, and compound which are made up of different type of matters. Okay, so now total number of the elements exist 118 at present. Total number of elements are exist. Out of these, 94 are naturally occurring elements. 118 में से 94 जो है वो naturally occurring elements है. So, in this chapter, that is periodic classification of an element, here we shall learn about the arrangement of this 118 element, how this the scientists arrange in a one table all these element, and also the elements having same property are arranged in a particular row, particular column, how they are arranging, all this we shall learn in this chapter. So, different scientists have attempted to to find their own ideas for arranging this total number of elements in different way. So also we shall learn the attempt of the different scientists, and the scientists were like Daubernier, okay, Newland. The first scientist have attempt Daubernier triads. Okay. Now next is Newland's law of octave after the Mendeleev periodic table. So we start from first. We start from first. See, I have give you some introduction about the classification of elements. Okay. Classification of element के बारे में कुछ introduction. There are many elements known. Till now, it is difficult to study their properties separately. Okay, बहुत सारे elements exist हुए हैं, but we have to learn, we have to understand the properties of every elements. It is very difficult. So in order to make study easier, the classification of element is done. In order to study make easier, it classification of element is done. So here are some examples: gold, sulfur, silicon, copper, silver, and sodium metal. So it is very difficult to learn the properties of every elements separately. So that's why there is a classification of element is done. Okay. Now here, what exactly the classification of element? Element का classification exactly होता क्या है? See, classification means grouping of similar elements. Classification means grouping of similar elements together and separating them from dissimilar ones. हमें करना क्या है? सेम प्रॉपर्टीज वाले एलिमेंट को एक ग्रुप में लगाना है, एंड डिसिमिलर प्रॉपर्टीज जिनकी प्रॉपर्टीज अलग है, दैट मीन्स डिफरेंट है, उन एलिमेंट्स को हमें अलग मीन्स सेपरेट ग्रुप बनाना है. दैट मीन्स हियर इज अ क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स. सो Many attempts have been made by different scientists. So scientists are Dobrnier, Newland. So these are the scientists. They have made attempt for classification of elements. Okay. In order to classify elements, let us now learn the discoveries. So हम एक एक करके सबकी डिस्कवरी लर्न करेंगे. फर्स्ट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम डॉबरनियर ट्राइड्स. फर्स्ट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम डॉबरनियर्स ट्राइड्स. It is just a short introduction about Dobernier's triad. Johnson Dobrnier, 1829, he was the first organize elements by their properties. Okay, इन्होंने elements के property with the help of properties of element distinguish the different element and classify them. He grouped them in a groups of three called as triad. तीन तीन एलिमेंट्स का उन्होंने ग्रुप बनाया एंड विद द सिमिलर प्रॉपर्टी वाले तीन एलिमेंट्स का उन्होंने ग्रुप बनाया. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली द डॉबर्नियर्स ट्रायड. अकॉर्डिंग टू इट, when elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic masses means weight of the atom. Mass means weight of the atom. Okay, so increasing atomic mass, अरेंज कैसे किया है एलिमेंट को? इन ऑर्डर ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग एटॉमिक मास. उनके इंक्रीजिंग एटॉमिक मासेस से उन्होंने अरेंज किया है, ग्रुप किया है एलिमेंट को थ्री थ्री के ग्रुप में. हैव सिमिलर केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज आर ऑप्टेन. सो the three elements having the increasing atomic masses are grouped and also having the similar chemical properties. In this atomic mass, middle element is the arithmetic mean of the atomic masses of other two elements. See, we take the example here, lithium, sodium and potassium. So, after calculating the arithmetic mean of lithium and पोटेशियम वी गॉट द आंसर फॉर सोडियम. ओके, अगर हम अरिथमेटिक मीन निकालें सोडियम और लिथियम और पोटेशियम का, सो वी गॉट द एटॉमिक मास फॉर सोडियम. सी द एग्जाम्पल विच इज गिवन हियर chlorine, bromine and iodine. The atomic mass for lithium is 7. Atomic mass for sodium is 23. Atomic mass for potassium is 29. See, after we find the atomic mass for lithium and potassium, that is 7 is for lithium and 39 is for potassium. So after we find the arithmetic mean for both, we got the value for sodium. Okay, see, if we have element A and plus C, okay, हमें निकालना है बी का एटॉमिक मास. सो इफ वी फाइंड द अरिथमेटिक मीन फॉर बोथ ए प्लस सी डिवाइड बाय 2, वी गॉट द वैल्यू दैट इज इफ वी कंसिडर इट इज एक्स, दिस इज द एटॉमिक मास फॉर बी. ओके, गॉट इट. नाउ नेक्स्ट, दिस इज फॉर chlorine atomic mass and iodine atomic mass. Okay, and we got the atomic mass for the bromine 80. Okay, we got the atomic mass for bromine. This is exactly the Dobrnier's triad. This is exactly the Dobrnier triad. We take the next example here. See, the example that is lithium, sodium and potassium. Okay, the atomic mass for lithium is 7, sodium is 23 and potassium is 39. All are alkali groups. Alkali groups means क्या होता है? That means if we dissolve in water, okay, if we dissolve in water, they form the hydroxide. Hydroxide means OH group. They form the hydroxide that we called as a alkali group. So properties क्या है? They have the same chemical property. All these have lithium, sodium and potassium. They are arranged in their increasing atomic mass इंक्रीजिंग एटॉमिक मास के साथ अरेंज हुए हैं एंड इनकी सभी की केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज जो है वो सेम है. सी, ऑल आर मेटल्स, all react with water to form alkalis. Alkalis means hydroxyl. They all have the valency -1. सबकी जो valency है वो -1 है. These are the similar chemical properties and their this is already we calculate. Now we take the next example. See the next example here. Chlorine, bromine and iodine. This is the 35.5. Bromine 80. 127 is for iodine. Okay, so the chemical properties for all these, all are non metals. ये सभी जो है वो non metals हैं. All react with water to form acids. When they are react with acid, that is they all are react with water, sorry, they all are react with water to form the acids. Okay, they all react with water to form the acids. Okay, and all have the valency +1. All have the valency +1. All have valency +1. And after calculating the arithmetic mean of both of these, chlorine and iodine, we got the atomic mass for bromine. Okay, and limitations for this Dobrnier triads. Have a look on the limitations of the, उसकी क्या लिमिटेशन, वो फेल क्यों हुआ, दैट मीन्स हाउ वाई ही वुड बी फेल. सी, he failed to arrange all known elements in form of triads. Okay, he failed to arrange, the limitation for this theory is he failed to arrange all known elements in form of triads. Triads in depending on triads he failed to arrange all the elements. सभी एलिमेंट को ट्राइड में अरेंज करना इट इज फेल्ड. सो द नेक्स्ट theory, that is a Newland octave theory. Okay, next is a Newland's law of octave. See the Newland law of octave. What is exactly in this law? According to this, when elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic mass, according to this Newland octave theory, when elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic masses, the properties of 8 elements are a repetition of the properties of first element. See, what is exactly here? He divides the elements into horizontal rows of 7 element each. कैसे डिवाइड किया है उन्होंने? 7 एलिमेंट एक रो में अरेंज किए. सी, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. हर रो में उन्होंने 7 एलिमेंट्स को अरेंज किया है. लाइक दिस ही अरेंजिंग द एलिमेंट्स. ओके, एंड एक्चुअली इन दिस थ्योरी, सी द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम, दैट इज इट इज इफ वी कंसिडर इट इज 8 नंबर. अगर हमने इसको 8 नंबर कंसिडर किया है, सो फर्स्ट यहाँ से जो फर्स्ट होगा उसकी प्रॉपर्टी एंड 8 नंबर दैट इज एल्यूमिनियम की प्रॉपर्टी सेम होगी. सी, 7th 6th 5th 4th 3rd 2nd and 1st, that means boron's property and aluminum property, both property having same. And here arranging the element, that is a 7 element in a row. एक रो में उसने 7 एलिमेंट को, दैट मीन्स 4 5 6 7 एलिमेंट को अरेंज किया है. और द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ 8th वन इज सिमिलर टू दैट ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ फर्स्ट. ओके, 8 की प्रॉपर्टी और फर्स्ट की प्रॉपर्टी सेम रहेगी. बट व्हाट आर द लिमिटेशन इन दिस theory? Limitations are he could classify elements only up to calcium. कैल्शियम तक ही उसने, डिपेंड ऑन दिस theory, that is only up to calcium he could classify the elements. Okay, only up to calcium he could classify the elements, that is up to 40. Up to 40 he could classify the element, and beyond the calcium he could not. Okay, so the limitations are he could classify elements only up to calcium. बस कैल्शियम तक ही उसने एलिमेंट को क्लासीफाई किया, उसके बाद में वो फेल हो गया, ओके। ही फेल्ड टू क्लासीफाई द बियॉन्ड दैट कैल्शियम, ओके। कैल्शियम के बियॉन्ड एलिमेंट्स जो थे उनको वो क्लासीफाई नहीं कर पाए। देन नेक्स्ट साइंटिस्ट इज now next is a Mendeleev's periodic table. Next is a Mendeleev's periodic table. So the concept of periodic table, the concept of periodic table came into notice. This Mendeleev's concept came into notice. The periodic table is a chart. Periodic table जो है वो एक chart है. Yes, it is a chart of elements prepared in such a way that the element having similar properties occur in a same vertical group. See what exactly in the Mendeleev's periodic table. See, if we consider this is a chart and all these 118 elements are arranged in this chart, okay. So in a way that is the what is the exactly way, the elements having the similar properties are arranged in a vertical column. So we considered this vertical column as a, ये जो vertical column है उसे हम बोलेंगे group, okay. These are the group and this horizontal column. See, first this vertical column we considered as a group, उसे हम ग्रुप बोलेंगे. एंड दिस हॉरिजॉन्टल रो we considered as a period, okay. According to Mendeleev's, this vertical column we considered as a group and this horizontal column we considered as a periods. So total how many periods are these? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 periods are there, okay. And ग्रुप्स कितने हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So group we will discuss in next class. Up to 7 there are periods. Up to 7 there are periods. So remaining one of the exactly Mendeleev periodic table we will learn in next class. So here we stop, okay. Here we stop. Mendeleev's periodic table we will learn in next class. So here we will stop, dear students.